Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Flutter for Beginners series. In my previous video, I have shown how you can create your first Flutter app and design the app bar. In this video, I'll show how you can create and design the bottom navigation bar in Flutter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's create our bottom navigation bar at the bottom of app bar. So let me type in bottom navigation bar. So this bottom navigation bar will take bottom navigation bar widget. So let's insert that. So inside this bottom navigation bar we'll use the items. So first item we'll use the bottom navigation bar item. So let me type bottom navigation bar item, and the first parameter will be an icon. So let me type in icon. Then we'll use the icons dot, let's use the music icon first. So we'll give the music node, and then we'll need to add a label for our bottom navigation bar item. So let's type in label, and I will name it to musics. As you can see, there is an error, so let's try to fix it by adding a const modifier. So the error is gone. So let's copy this bottom navigation bar item a couple of times and simply paste it. Now we have three bottom navigation bar items, so let's also change the icons and their label. So let me type in home, and I will also change it to home. And for the next one, I'll just give the favorite icon, and also let's change it to favorites. Now I'll simply press Ctrl S to save, and hopefully we'll see the bottom navigation bar. As you can see, we have three items here. So the first one is selected. If we click on any of the other items, nothing is getting selected. So to do that, we'll just use the current index option. So let's go ahead and add current index. So let's add it. So current index, the first one is 0. So let's select the second one, which will be 1. So let's save it. As you can see, the second one is selected, and if we put 2 here, subsequently the third one will be selected. So that's it for today. This was a simple video on how to create bottom navigation bar in Flutter. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.